This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Pam Walker and Tim Rogers. Terrific townhome with water views and shared docks in a great location in Blue Heron Cove. This property has so much to offer with the open floor plan from the kitchen to dining room to great room, all with hardwood floors. The kitchen has granite countertops, tons of cabinets, some with glass fronts and large pantry. The built-in desk with cabinets is a great addition. The great room has a fireplace and leads to the covered deck with lake views. Huge master and 2 bedrooms located upstairs. Baths have granite counters. Master has separate tiled shower, garden tub and walk-in closet. 1 bedroom and bath are on the lower level, providing lots of space for friends and family, with a total of 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 1 half bath and approximately 3,000 square feet. The second living room with fireplace on the terrace level has a beautiful wet bar with granite and cabinets with wine rack, and it leads to a covered patio overlooking the lake. There is a lovely clubhouse and pool for your enjoyment. The shared dock is located nearby. A great value for this property in Putnam County on Lake Oconee. For more information, review the details below or contact Pam Walker and Tim Rogers at 404-307-6633. Tim.